In this video, we're going to be learning about how to create relationship between tables in Power BI. In the previous video, we learned about ETL in Power BI, that's extraction, transformation, and load in Power BI. Now, once you extract more than one table into Power BI, there's a very high chance you need them to work side by side in visuals, and that's where creating relationships come to play. We have different types of relationship that can be created: the many-to-many relationship, one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, and many-to-one relationship. Today, we're going to be focusing on many-to-one relationship. One in this instance means no duplicate is accommodated in that particular column, meaning the figures or words appear once in that particular column, while many means duplicates are accommodated. You might or will see a particular figure or word appear more than once in that particular column. So we'll be creating this relationship in the model view. Usually, once you extract your tables into Power BI does an analysis and creates relationship automatically. But sometimes we want to create these relationships using different columns. So let's delete this particular relationship already created by Power BI and recreate it. And it's deleted. Okay, so we're going to be creating our relationships using the gender key, which can be found in both tables. They might actually have different titles depending on what you create them with. You just have to be sure of what you've created. So for a many-to-one relationship, you hold down on where this particular column has duplicates. You hold down on it and move it to this particular table where it has only one relationship connection. Let's double click to see the relationships in here. Now, this is where Power BI displays the particular relationship that we have created. It also displays in here the different types of relationship that can be found in Power BI also. Here, it says that we have created this particular relationship and it's a single connection, not both. We also see here that the relationship is active because it has been clicked. Over here, Power BI also highlights the column that was used for this particular creation. And that's it. We've successfully created a relationship between tables using many-to-one relationship. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my posts and new findings. And it's advisable for you to watch till the end because there's always something for everyone to learn. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.